Hi guys. So I know that last week really week before last with science, we were having a lot of problems logging in to Discovery Education. I think most of those problems are fixed now, but I'm going to show you an example of if it's not fixed, if it's not working, and what you can do to make it work. So this is an assignment page. You all won't see this till Thursday, but I'm just going to use it as an example for today. So let's say I'm a student and I'm on this assignment and I click this link to go to Discovery Ed, and it brings up this sign-in page. If you put in your username here, so let me just show you, it is going to say username not found. But there is a way to get around this. So I'm going to go to my class portal, my ClassLink portal. You can either get there with the tree icon on your homepage on your Chromebook, or you can search launchpad.classlink.com/Kingsport right up here in Chrome, and you bring this up. So I'm going to sign in. And then when it brings up all of my apps, and mine look a little bit different than yours because I'm a teacher, but it's the same idea. There's the Canvas button that you all click all the time, but there's also a Discovery Education button. I'm going to click that, and it'll load and sign me in. Now, again, mine looks a little bit different because I'm a teacher, but it'll log you in. It'll show you like the science textbook and all that stuff. I'm going to exit out of that and exit out of the ClassLink portal. Now, when I click on this link, it will sign me in and bring me up to the lab that's in Discovery Education. So if your Discovery Education is not working, try those steps and that should fix it.